All right, so many of y'all have asked how I managed to pack 5 days worth of conference attire, including formal wear and some camera equipment, into carry on only. It's late. I'm already makeup off, so y'all get what you get, but here you go. Little purse that I threw in last minute. Blazer number one. Heating pad because I'm old. Another purse. 1, 2, 3 pairs of shoes. Liquids. Flat iron, very important. Tripod number one, and hairbrush. Over here we have the rest of the clothes. Blazer number two, button-down shirts, everything else rolled and folded. One pro tip, I actually figured out a different way to roll my evening gown. Usually whenever I roll up an evening gown, it makes kind of a larger, bulkier package, which makes it very difficult for me to close this top half of this Monos suitcase lid. But this one, I actually rolled it from the top and the bottom, so it makes two smaller rolls. And because this dress is really, really easy to pack and not get wrinkles, it comes out and looks just fine. The real MVP, which is this awesome backpack that I got that holds camera equipment, has this little quick easy top, extra battery packs, makeup bags, meds, toothbrush, mostly toiletries, but some things that I might need, like laptop charger. Our laptop is back here, this lovely little side case. But the really cool thing about this bag is this front pocket to house my cords, one extra blazer, here's my little extra roll-up flat pair of shoes for when I'm tired of wearing the heels, and my camera equipment. So extra tripod, a couple of lenses, camera body, remotes, chargers, extra batteries, all the fun things, all packed into one neat little bag. So there you have it. It can be done. It did also help that instead of what I typically would wear on a flight, which is usually going to be yoga pants and maybe tennis shoes and a t-shirt, I chose to wear one of the pairs of jeans that I would have ordinarily packed, definitely the larger pair of shoes that I have, so I didn't have to fit that in a carry-on because I was going to be arriving kind of midday and there was already going to be people here, so I didn't want to have to go and change out of my travel clothes that I typically wear. I had actually packed a set of travel clothes for me to wear back home on Wednesday morning. That was one of the things that I did have to cut when I was doing my final pack, and I was absolutely committed to making this work, but I was this close and it was just barely not closing well enough for me to want to be able to take it on the flight, and I had to remove just a couple of things, and those were the things I chose to remove. Normally I would have packed some additional things like my hair dryer. I have a little mini hair travel dryer that I typically travel with, and that was one of the things that stayed behind. So I did have to make some choices there as to what I was really going to pack, but it can be done.